everyone, welcome back to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today we are going to play an amazing I-words guessing game. Are you ready?
Yes, Mom.
Amazing! So I will show you the videos. The first video is this one. Can you guess what is this I word? Cute one.
Infant.
Amazing. What is this one?
Iguana.
Perfect. Can you guess what is this one?
Ink.
Amazing. Can you guess this one?
Inch.
Perfect. What is this one?
Insects.
Perfect. What is this one?
Igloo.
Very good. Can you guess what is this one?
Inchworm.
Amazing. Now let's see what is this one.
Ill.
Yes. And this one is everyone's favorite.
Ice cream.
Yes, ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Next one.
Ice.
Perfect. What is this one?
Ice water.
And what is this?
Iris.
Iris. Yes. And what is this next one?
Ivy.
Very good. And what is this one?
Iron.
Very good. And this next one. Can you guess this one?
Island.
Yes, this is island. Very good. And the last one.
Iceberg.
Very good, kids. Thanks for learning with us. You have guessed all the I words correctly. See you tomorrow.
And don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss our next video.
Bye bye.